brother wami akuthi ngeke uzise happiness yase arena intonero ngomasithandana intonero ngomangijandana tonero ngomasithandana umasithandana intonero ngomasithandana intonero ngomasithandana
intonero ngomasithandana intonero ngomasithandana
mangisho kanje ngithi what's a pirate
always a pirate
brother kumnandi esigodini okokuqala nje njenganomlandeli okudala wayenethwa zimvula kule Orlando Pirates Football Club ngithi angidlulisa ukubonga ngiyomane ngibonga njalo kubalandeli bePirates because the volunteering ngemali zabo benza i-full pack njenganalento abayenza kulezi nsuku akusiyona nomuntu obakabani uyabona le nto seyehlula boKaizer Chiefs iminyakanyaka sokuyaliwa lepha eNashurena ngonxa ukuthi manje bekhona iFilap ayisenseki leyo nto angisakhulumi kweSundowns sokuyinkomba sebenzisho bancama abalandeli bePirates can you imagine asenawo laba abantu kwakuthiwa iPRO eyayihamba ingene emaredweni imarket iphume emaredweni ingene emarank ingene emamall but ngendlela abayisebenza ngayo ngokwesystem esesiphila ngaphansi kwayo namhlanje is unbelievable. And two, ngibonga kakhulu kuma branch we Orlando Pirates Football Club. That is the roots ezenza nibona kuso. Without ama branch Orlando Pirates Football Club ngabe lama sold out as wins. The way unit ingakhona kuma branch we Pirates we are volunteering. We spend imali zama families because of love of Orlando Pirates Football Club and lothando lumahala for free atinge kubhatalwa ukhoze thina sibonisa abadlali bethu ukuthi uma usafika udlala kwa Pirates sizokuhlonipha kodwa washanga edivorce wadlala lenye team around local so enemy phela ungathi sizokutreat soft yeah accept ukuthi no sizobe sokuyisongeso futhi sobe sikutshela ukuthi hey wamfana mawucabanga ukuthi uyoncengwa unyoko musushiye Pirates angeke sikuncenge uyoncengwa unyoko ngiphinde ngibuye la kumarumo Gallant nangu umlayezo wemarumo the time nifuna ukusilwisa nomqeqeshi waqala isikhukhuni sazosijwayela la ekhaya earena saphuma no 3 point mase siya eLipompo sanenkane eLipompo isikhukhuni sashera sathatha 4 point masisuka uyisizini iqala siluza kwisikhukhuni sayeblom nafika nasijwayela marumo nisijwayele kakhulu today beriharimela linyatso this is a big team and then bengicula ngithi uNkulunkulu abadlali bePirates I'm that guy always mangiphuma endlini ngibeka iPirates emthandazweni ngiye ngacela uNkulunkulu today ilanga lethu esithanda iPirates ilanga leValentine njenga kuyithando lePirates ngicela 3.3 goals. Thank you God, you answer my prayer. Uyabona siutholile u3 goals sawuthola u3 point why bengifuna lo 3 point no 3 goals iSundowns ngiyayazi uyabona isimo maseso lena message seya kubadlali bePirates badlali bePirates game by game take it serious take like cup final because ninga trust ama Rapa Stad baneshelete bangawathenga manje ama game wena yonke into ephambi kwakho ungasa trust anything like God say no trust no one. Please guys follow the words of God. These days trust no one. Game by game take it like a cup final because mangalala those 2 cups is up to you guys. No one ozon safe. Lama cup aseke senzeni umlando senza ake ngikhulume manje ngibulabule sitsonga sifuna operation teka inkwashu. What's a pirate?
Always a pirate.
Always. Thank you very much guys.
Bonga mina babutshwa.
Sayithanda iPirates abadlali bethu kumele bazi basebathanda. Sikhahle bathi inqole ndala kwaKaizer Chiefs kukhona iculture abayilahla. Babe nomdlali lapho kwakuthiwa umntakalahla Wellington Manyati lo slogan manje kwa Chiefs sesaphela kodwa thina sithi kwana sikhahle bafana awuyibambile bese ngithi mbuli fana uyibambe kanjalo uyabona nje masisa ngalama vibe
lokusinza kanje siza kanje nje siyangena nje
siza kanje siza kanje sithi wadla umbuli wadlula mthuthu kancane oh siyabonga eArena
Chairman CFNB Wednesday sodlala neSundowns kuyoba njani Wednesday
ake ngisho lento abantu abaningi abangikholelwa ngoba mina ngibelieve kakhulu uNkulunkulu isikhathi seSundowns siphele kabi saphela sisukelwa yiPirates so sithina sesiyobuyisa umbuso lo mbuso mangakutshena iqiniso umbuso waseNaturena umbuso waseNaturena indaba yeBetway iseyithathe kaningi iChiefs League but manje ucomputer isiyafail try 3 times a roast iChiefs man iSundowns man isipusha like okwencina lehashi yasikhahlela but this time Wednesday we are going to close the chapter that 3 points esothatha kuSundowns sizodlala nge28 sesidlala ifriendly game yeah but if iChiefs buys now lo 3 points siyawuthatha futhi likhalimela linyazo if bazaza ne bad behavior labo vilakazi bakhona basopa bazathola iscore sitholwe la eArena iSundowns without fear or favor we demand that 3 point they know very well ukuthi sesihlukumeze kakhulu ihlukumeze wonke ama team PSL 7 times in a row or not a pap and place but ngoba izikhona ezimnyama ezingamakhephu lezakhephu imhlaba kamasipala zawubhekisa phezulu sizozabalaza until size sinqobe iBetway ila
Thank you ngiyabonga Chairman
Danko
Thank you